Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this video guide on in-browser AI. We will cover the Transformers.js playbook, a definitive resource for finding, verifying, and deploying ONNX compatible models from Hugging Face directly in your browser. It is important to know that browser-based AI runs exclusively on ONNX weights. Not every model on Hugging Face is ready for browser use. Transformers.js specifically requires models converted into this format. We use a discovery matrix to help you find compatible models. This framework organizes your search based on reliability and the level of manual effort required to ensure successful deployment. For Tier 1, the most reliable approach, start with official conversion organizations like Zenova and ONNX Community. Models found here are specifically prepared for the required format and are practically guaranteed to work. The Zenova profile serves as a central hub for ecosystem creators, providing direct access to various demonstrations and resources that showcase what is possible with Transformers.js. Similarly, the ONNX community organization acts as the community standard, dedicated to converting popular models into the ONNX format and maintaining useful tools like model visualizers. For Tier 2, you can use surgical filtering in the Hugging Face search bar. By applying specific filters, you can isolate models with browser-compatible architectures from the wider repository. The filtering interface allows you to select specific libraries and parameters, helping you narrow down your search results to find the most relevant and efficient models for your projects. When inspecting a model, check the model card payload for an ONNX extension and explicit mentions of Transformers.js. If you see native JavaScript execution examples, the model is verified safe for deployment. Understand the first-run phenomenon. Executing your code triggers the browser to fetch and download the necessary ONNX weights into the local cache. Subsequent runs will use these cached files for better performance. When in doubt, always consult the official Transformers.js documentation repository. It remains the definitive and constantly updated list of fully supported tasks and model architectures. To summarize, your deployment pipeline follows 4 steps. Source your models from trusted organizations, verify their task compatibility, optimize for smaller sizes, and execute once to prime your browser cache. We have provided a curated starter kit covering tasks like sentiment analysis, translation, and summarization. Select a model, integrate it into your pipeline, and start deploying client-side AI today.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.